So I like to start counting out loud. So I'll say 43, 44, and then I get in a rhythm of counting 45, 46, 47, 48. And I know it's probably not as important to get in that rhythm with counting by ones, but when you start counting by fives and tens, I think kind of getting into that rhythm of counting really helps you know what comes next. Again, I'll start counting to get in a rhythm. Sometimes I even like to start with the numbers before the one that I see on the screen there. So I might even start with 0 and say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, there it is. 35. Oh, I know. 40. So if it's easier to start at the beginning, you can. Or just start with 30. Again, I'll just say them out loud. 50, 60. Get in the rhythm. 70, 80, 90, 100. Think about what comes after 100. You know what comes next? Remember, we start back over with the hundreds. 110, 120.
Great job.